Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the problem. Unplug any external keyboard and remove batteries for at least 30 seconds to clear residual states. Check keyboard layout and language settings because a wrong layout often looks like hardware failure. Also verify accessibility options like sticky keys and slow keys are off. Once done, reboot the computer to reload drivers. This fixes transient firmware or OS lockups. Make sure to test a different keyboard or the laptop's built-in keyboard to confirm whether the issue is software. Now you dig into drivers and firmware because many odd behaviors come from corrupted or mismatched drivers. Update the keyboard driver via Device Manager, and if a recent update caused the issue, roll it back. Vendor-specific drivers often behave better than generic ones. Check for firmware updates for your laptop or the keyboard using the manufacturer's utility. Firmware can fix ghosts and scan rate problems. Run keyboard diagnostics, and if keys are mismapped, remap or test in safe mode to isolate third-party software conflicts. Finish with hands-on hardware fixes. For sticky or unresponsive keys, remove keycaps and clean under them with compressed air and 70–90% isopropyl on a swab. Mechanical switches may need contact cleaning. On laptops, open the panel and reseat or inspect the keyboard ribbon cable. Loose connectors cause intermittent input. If problems persist, boot from a USB Live operating system to rule out the installed OS. And if the keyboard still fails, replace the keyboard or switch. One tip: booting a clean OS quickly distinguishes hardware from software faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.